What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video is going to be about Bybit Trading Bots. Okay, so it's been a minute since last time I trade on my trading bot accounts. Okay, so I had over 1,000 and something bucks. Okay, so I cashed out a little bit, and currently I have 8 running bots. Actually, I only have one that's been activated. The other ones are waiting to be triggered. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna use 400 bucks because the rest of the money I cashed out from Bybit because I had to, pay some bills, whatever. Okay, so if you come over here to my bots, we can see that I have 8 running bots, and currently each bot has 50 USDT. Okay, so as you can see right here, I have Sol, I have Matic, I have ARP, LTC, TRX, ETH, BTC, and BTC. Okay, I have 8 trading bots. They're all pending, okay, because the entry price has to be triggered, as you can see right there. Okay, I also decided to make this video, just to give you an update about the Bybit, okay, new challenge 400 bucks, okay, and also just to announce that I've created a Signal channel, okay, on Telegram group, and my Signals channel 329, it's up and running, okay. So if you want to join my Signals channel, my Telegram Signal channel, where every time I decided to launch a trading bot, I will come over here and post a screenshot just like this one. You can see it right here. So all these screenshots are the bots that I've deployed today. Okay, so over here we can see the total investment, the leverage that I'm using, the coin that I'm using, leverage, total investment, price range, number of grids, entry price, and stop loss. Okay, so each screenshot will have their own parameters. Okay, so all these bots are deployed in time sensitive. Okay, so once I deploy the bots and post it on a TG group, you got to be fast because if by the time you enter the bot's been triggered, your results might differ from my results. Okay, so for example, if I post an entry on this bot, Sol bot. Okay, so the entry price is going to be 221. Okay, so let's say the bot triggers, okay, and then goes back to 2.548, and then you're gonna go enter, and you're gonna enter on 221. 542. Okay, so your entry price is going to differ from mine, even though it's just a few cents difference. Okay, it will make a difference in terms of P and L. Okay, and again, Matic, this one is up and running. Okay, so it's been deployed 24 minutes ago. Nothing has been happening yet because the price hasn't moved as much. Okay, but yes, guys, those are the bots that I have currently up and running. Okay, the Matic is the only one that's been deployed so far. The other ones are waiting for the trigger price. Okay, so usually I wait 2-3 days max for the trigger price. So if nothing happens, then I will have to do a technical analysis, TA again, and from there I will either terminate the bot and readjust a new bot according to the price chart, or let it roll if I feel like the bot will be triggered eventually. Okay, so usually it takes 2, 3, maximum 4 days for the bot to be triggered. If not, I will just terminate and deploy a new bot. Okay, guys. So yes, those are the news. So the link for this channel will be in the description. So it's going to be Signals channel 329. And if you are not in Bybit, so we got a sign up link right here. And currently, excuse me, Bybit is giving up sign USDT has a welcome bonus to new new members or new investors. Okay, so if you haven't joined the Bybit platform yet, you got the link right here on this Signals channel 329 where you can join and copy my trades. If you want, all on the channel, you will find the trades right there. Okay, guys. So that being said, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.